In a previous video, you had mentioned that if people come in as a presidential, or not president, but
Diamond.
the diamond package.
Mm-hmm.
So you mentioned that, if you bring people in as a diamond, you get $500.
So if you are personally a diamond,
Yep.
when you come in, they put a 90-day calendar on you the day that you go diamond. So you could start as a diamond or you could upgrade as a diamond, and it could be 6 months before you upgrade as a diamond. Either way is fine. So as soon as you purchase the diamond kit, either as a upfront purchase or as an upgrade, then you've got a 90-day window where their corporate is qualifying you as a senior director. As a senior director, you earn a $500 bonus from everybody you personally sponsor as a diamond. So you could sponsor 2, 3, 8, 10, it doesn't matter, and you will earn a $500 bonus. After the 90 days, it drops down unless you've already qualified as a senior director, and many, many, many people do qualify in the 90 days as a senior director, and then you continue with the $500 bonus after that. Now, the reasons for being a diamond is, number one, it gets you the $500 bonus. Number two, it's the best price point. You get the sleeves of X39 for $84 a sleeve. And then number three is it qualifies you for 90 days. So you pay today, you receive today, but for the next 2 months, 3 months total, you'll get 110 points on the next 2 months so that you don't have to make an auto ship purchase. Now, let's say you come in as a bronze or a silver or a gold, and then you find a diamond. And so you're ready to personally enroll a diamond. I tell everyone, there's a $500 bonus on the table. I don't want your money. I want you to get it. So at that point, you want to upgrade yourself to diamond so that you earn the full $500 bonus from the person that you're personally enrolling as a diamond.
Excellent. We did come in as diamonds. I understood when we came in that we wanted to do the business. So we bought the diamond package. I just wanted to verify if that program or campaign was still running.
It's always there. Yes.
Excellent. Second question, the cycle bonus, what day is that?
So the weeks go until Sunday at like midnight-ish. So
Okay.
you can cycle, you'll cycle as soon as anytime your business hits 330 on one leg, 660 on the next leg, it'll cycle the $50. The computer subtracts out the points, and you'll see a $50 cycle bonus in your commissions. And then the week ends Sunday at midnight.
Okay.
So Monday to Sunday.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Third question. Sorry for taking so long. This is a strategy question. Based on my previous experience, I felt it beneficial to basically bring in my wife, and then I would go in on her opposite side from, I guess, what you call your power leg or what have you. So
Yep.
I would come in on the other side and I would build the other side to make that a stronger leg. What are your thoughts on that?
So I get this question a lot. And my thought is it's better to build together. So if you do what you're talking about, you've put yourself or your wife, it doesn't matter. Somebody's in this position, somebody's in this position now, and then you've got, let's say you share this leg. So you now have 3 legs to build.
Correct.
This, the one here, and the one here. Well, this compensation plan maxes out at $25,000 a week in cycle bonus. So I say to everyone, I think it's much better for you all to build together. You only have 2 legs. You will go faster because you're working together. But again, it's strategy, and you can do anything you want. It's completely legal for you to each have a position, no problem at all. For me, I just don't think it's necessary. In the 4 years and 2 months that I've been here, I think I've got maybe 4 people that have maxed out the cycle bonus out of 170,000 people. So to me, work together.
Okay. I just didn't know if by, like you say, doing a third leg, I would qualify for the 25 and my wife would qualify for the 25.
Yes, if you can build 3 legs. But, again, most people can't. It's not something I would put on to anybody. I think the power of the binary is it's 2 legs. Okay. So to me, why would you make it any harder? Max out the 2 legs and then go from there.
Okay, very good. Do you have a question?
I think she answered my question.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Appreciate it.
My pleasure. Welcome aboard. Be ignorance on fire. Don't worry about not doing everything. You will learn as we go.
Yep.